high above the northern horizon, there is a region of the sky that never disappears, while other stars rise and fall, carried by the turning earth. These remain. They move in circles, slow and constant, around a single fixed point. For observers in the northern hemisphere, they are always present. These are Ursa Major and Ursa Minor, the Great Bear and the Little Bear. Ursa Major is one of the oldest recognized constellations in human history. Its brightest stars form a pattern known as the Big Dipper. This shape is not the entire constellation, but it is the most visible part. 7 stars create its outline, each separated by immense distances, yet from Earth they appear connected. At the outer edge of the Dipper's bowl is Dubhe. It is an orange giant star, approximately 123 light-years away. Its surface is cooler than blue stars, which gives it its warm color. Nearby shines Merak, a white star located about 79 light-years from Earth. These 2 stars form a straight line, extending that line leads directly to Polaris. Because of this, Dubhe and Merak became essential guides. For centuries, navigators used them to find north. Their light provided orientation in a world without maps or instruments. Farther along the curve of the Dipper's handle lies Alioth. It is the brightest star in Ursa Major, about 81 light-years away. Its energy output is far greater than that of our Sun. Next to it is Mizar, a star system located roughly 81 light-years from Earth. Close beside Mizar is Alcor. To the naked eye, they appear as a pair. In reality, they are separated by a vast distance, only a line from our perspective. At the end of the formation shines Alkaid. It is a hot blue star about 104 light-years away. Blue stars burn hotter and live shorter lives. Alkaid's brightness comes from its high surface temperature, far exceeding that of the Sun. Ursa Major extends beyond these stars. It covers a large region of the sky and contains galaxies millions of light-years away, invisible without telescopes. Not far from the Great Bear is a smaller and quieter figure, Ursa Minor. Its stars are dimmer and its shape is less obvious, but its importance is greater than its brightness suggests. At the end of its tail is Polaris. Polaris lies approximately 433 light-years from Earth. It holds a special position near the North Celestial Pole, the point around which the entire northern sky appears to rotate. Because of this alignment, Polaris remains almost perfectly fixed in place while other stars move around it. This stability made Polaris one of the most important stars in human navigation. It provided a constant reference point in an otherwise moving sky. Near Polaris is Alcor, an orange giant located about 131 light-years away. It shines with a steady, quiet light. Alongside it is Alcor, farther still at about 487 light-years. Long ago, before Polaris occupied its current position, Alcor was closer to the pole and served as the primary northern guide star. The positions of stars are not permanent. Earth's axis slowly shifts over a cycle lasting about 26,000 years. This gradual motion changes which star appears at the pole. Ursa Major and Ursa Minor appear connected, but this connection exists only from Earth's viewpoint. Their stars formed at different times in different regions of space and are separated by distances that cannot be seen with the eye alone. Their slow circular motion across the sky is not their own movement. It is caused by the rotation of Earth. Every night the planet turns and the sky appears to revolve in response. Polaris marks the direction of that rotation. For thousands of years, these constellations have remained reliable reference points. Civilizations rose and fell beneath them. Generations lived and passed while their patterns endured. They do not dominate the sky with brightness. They do not change suddenly. They continue their quiet motion, steady and precise, centered on a point defined not by the stars themselves, but by the motion of the world beneath them. In Greek mythology, the Great Bear was once a woman named Callisto. She was transformed into a bear and later placed in the sky by Zeus. Her son, Arcus, was also lifted into the heavens, becoming the little bear. They were placed close together, so they would never be separated again. But Hera, angry and unforgiving, forbade them from ever touching the ocean, and so they circle the sky endlessly, never rising or setting, never resting. This part is myth, but the motion is real. And as long as Earth continues to turn, the Great Bear and the Little Bear will remain circling endlessly in the northern sky.